concrete slab pest-proofing new home construction prevents subterranean termites from gaining hidden access under the slab. When building a new home, we must place continuous slab edge physical barriers around the perimeter before pouring concrete, which creates an unbroken obstacle between soil and structure. Use stainless steel mesh with woven or welded patterns that resist corrosion and embed it into the slab edge so termites cannot chew through or bypass the barrier. Sand barriers require graded, well-compacted sand with particle sizes that prevent termite tunneling. Place at the designed depth and compact in layers to maintain stability. For additional protection, consider applying a residual chemical termiticide to the trench below the slab edge following label instructions and local regulations, and ensure the treated soil remains undisturbed during the pour. Grout any voids around pipes and conduits before finishing the slab and after concrete curing to eliminate easy tunnels. Pay careful attention to slab-to-wall joints by forming tight, sealed connections and using joint seals designed for subgrade applications to block subterranean movement. At every penetration, install termite collars fitted and grouted to the same level as the slab to prevent gaps at service entries. Common mistakes start with gaps in the barrier, where installers stop short at corners or penetrations. Avoid this by planning continuous runs and marking all penetrations before installation. Another frequent issue is using improperly graded or loosely compacted sand that allows tunneling. Mitigate that by sourcing specification-grade sand and compacting in thin lifts with a plate compactor. Homeowners and builders sometimes neglect to grout voids and install collars at penetrations. The fix is to inspect all service entries and grout or seal them immediately after placement and again after any trades work that disturbs the area. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers community discussions where builders and homeowners exchange practical installation tips and product experiences related to slab pest proofing. We help contractors find job leads and let homeowners compare approaches and ask questions in our discussion community.